And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion Leader Judson Leeswright with this week's announcements. Beginning this Monday, all 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders will begin their statewide testing. Make sure you're eating a healthy breakfast, getting lots of sleep, and choosing your best attitude to help you achieve. You got this, Sea Lions! On Tuesday, the McGaw staff is hosting the annual volunteer breakfast, a way for us to express our appreciation to the parents and guardians who dedicate their time and energy to make McGaw a special place to learn. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's College Day on Wednesday. Wear your favorite gear and plan for a great future. Attention 4th grade travelers. The Sacramento Parent Information Night is on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Come to the Media Center to learn about this year's trip. On Thursday, our friends in TK are going on a field trip to Santa Ana Zoo. Have fun and remember to follow the instructions from your teachers. Attention 5th graders. All poems are due by Friday for the poetry contest. Get your poem turned in on time so you can compete. Fishing in Gym returns on Friday for 5th graders. Check out the gym at 12:30. I hope you catch a big one. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Last week, we celebrated the Week of the Military Child. Miss Cynthia Villa and her friends over at the military base organized so many cool projects and events for our Sea Lions to experience. Check out some of the highlights.
Thank you for celebrating the military child.
Thank you for serving our country.
Once again, we want to say thank you to all of our military families, especially the military kids who make McGaw a special place. You guys are amazing.
I got a robot.
Yeah.
I got a robot.
Yeah.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student Grayson Tani. Miss Tochioka gave him a robot because she said he was a kind friend and let another student that was late for lunch go ahead. That was so kind, Grayson. Thanks for being an awesome Sea Lion.
1st grade.
Our 1st grade winner comes from Miss Gardner and Miss Smith's class. Congratulations to Dusty Whitaker. Miss Cohen says that, Dusty, you deserve thanks for being so kind to your friends and group. You cheered and encouraged your friend who was feeling kind of sad. Way to go, Dusty.
2nd grade.
Miss Cohen wants to shout out 2nd grader Ken Tedro. She says, thank you, Ken, for being aware yesterday. You saw your friend that was sad and you tried to help him by being generous and kind. That's how we support each other.
3rd grade.
Team Frenderson wants to shout out 3rd grader Ben Cameron. They say that Ben has been working really, really hard, and we are noticing his strong effort in class. Thanks so much, Ben.
4th grade.
Congratulations to 4th grader from Dr. Arias' class, Grayson Dyer. Miss Olveda says thank you for stacking up all those lunch trays. I appreciate you.
5th grade.
Congratulations to 5th grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Ethan Germain. Ethan's new to our school, but he knows exactly how to earn a secret student. Thanks for working hard and doing the best you can in class.
And that's a wrap up. See you next week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!